How to fix iPhone 11 Face ID not working after screen replacement. So if you want to fix iPhone 11 Face ID not working after screen replacement, then what you need to do is you just need something, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you can turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then just wait for 10 seconds and then again turn it off. Once you turn off, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. Now from the settings, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and then you need to go with the general section. From general, you need to go with software update. And if you have any updates on your software, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating your software, you need to scroll down and then go with transfer, reset iPhone, and then go with reset, which will be on the bottom, and then reset all of your settings. Once you reset your settings, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings again and then scroll down, go with Face ID and password. And now you need to enter your passcode, and after entering your passcode, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to tap on reset Face ID. After resetting your Face ID, now your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your iPhone 11 Face ID not working after screen replacement. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.